Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have a wiring project where you need ring terminals, I want to show you these from Wirefy. These are a great product to have on hand because they give you a really secure, tight fit. So these ring terminals are for 10 to 12 gauge wire, and these are a 3/8 inch ring. And the nice thing about these is that they are heat shrink. So they are waterproof, they are corrosion resistant, they're just awesome. And they also have a heat activated adhesive inside. So once you get the heat gun on these, you can see that adhesive start to get a little bit soft. And once you have it done, the fit is so secure and really strong, which is exactly what you want when you are doing electrical wiring. So we have used these in several different sizes and for multiple projects, and we have been so happy with them. They're really easy to use and very simple to apply. You just strip your wire, you crimp these on, and then you heat shrink them, and that is it. You are good to go. If you are looking for really strong connections in your wiring project, then definitely check out these ring terminals. They're such a great product, and that's my point of view.